Hello guys, so ngayon mag-unbox naman tayo ng USB-C to Lightning cable. Normally makikita nyo to sa mga latest mobile, for example iPhone 11 Pro Max, and ito na po yung ginagamit nila, Type C to Lightning. Note 8, ito na din po ang Note 10, ito na din po ang ginagamit nila. So i-unbox natin at susubukan na din natin to kung okay ba talaga siya, kung fast charging siya, at kung mas reliable to kaysa sa Type A to Type A to Lightning. At pasensya na ulit, kakagising ko lang, ito yung pabuhok ko. Simulan natin. Let's get started. Ito yung USB-C to Lightning. Unboxing time. So thank you CHOETECH for sponsoring my video, sponsoring this item. Thank you. So yun, ito yung CHOETECH for the cable. Nalagay siya sa cable. Again, please join to the CHOETECH VIP, or please subscribe them to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Follow the CHOETECH official only. Then this is the cable. Testing ko siya sa iPod. By the way, itong cable na to is 2 meter long and MFi Certified by the Apple. Kaya no worries to buy the CHOETECH. Now I will try this to my power port PD or power hub, and kukunin ko siya sa Type C. Tanggalin ko muna siya, CBIP. Then this is my iPod. It's charging. So normally kaya mga latest na to kasi pag power PD or power delivery, 18 watts and above na ang kaya niyang i-support. Unlike sa mga normal, 15 watts, 10 watts, 5 watts pinakamababa. Ito 18 watts. So kung suggest ko, kung bibili kayo ng mga bagong item, bagong cable, mag power delivery na kayo. But it depends on your mobile. Okay guys, tapos na natin i-unbox to at ipaliwanag ko yung pros na ito. So tapos na din to. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for keep subscribing on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to, pag hindi pa kayo member, pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Brielle DC Madison on Facebook and Brielle.dc on Instagram. So salamat guys, thank you, and God bless.